shore where the silver boats come and go, you'll find ebb and flow. The tide may be high or low, the sun has a golden glow. This way where the silver boats come and go, you know, you can always find ebb and flow. Ebb and Bird were hungry.
Wait, that's better.
Table manners, you two. It's only an old gull, sillies. Finished your breakfast? That was quick. Come on, you two. Picnic on the beach. Ebb and Bird were hungry. They'd missed their breakfast. It's too early to eat. Let's go and find some crabs, Bird. You stay and guard the food, Ebb. It was more than a dog could bear. You. Really, Ebb, I'm surprised at you. Go away. Go on. Oh, there's only one left, Bird. So we'll share it, shall we? Half each. Oh, I'm so sorry, Ebb. How could I think it was you who ate the food when it was the gulls all the time? Wait, that's better. Table manners, please, you two.